To change your Facebook name before the 16-day deadline, follow these steps. Open the Facebook app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the hamburger icon in the bottom right corner, 3 horizontal lines, to open the menu. Select the gear sync to go to Settings. Go to Meta Account Center, click See More in Account Center, and select your profile. Click on your profile name. Check to see if you can change your name on the screen. If you cannot change your name, go back to the menu section and scroll down the page to find Help or Support. Tap Go back and shake phone and shake your phone. Click on Report a problem. Tap Done Include and wait for the form to load. In the description field, explain that you want to change your name and provide a reason. Optionally, upload a photo or screenshot demonstrating the problem. Click on Send to send your message. Facebook support should respond to your message within 2-3 business days. That is it. We hope this guide has been helpful to you.